Say ba na has been the most challenging, maybe the hardest conference that you had between 9 years. How did you keep the faith when things were going rough? Ensign.
Siguro, based sa standings namin, probably this was the hardest, most challenging, unpredictable season for the Creamline Pool Smashers. But I guess this is also the season that we proved to our team, to ourselves, to the coaches and the whole management that our family will stay and stick together despite everything. And because of that, ito nang galing yung faith namin, yung hope namin na hanggang sa dulo, kakapit kami, lalaban kami. With our shoelaces na big, yes. Na talagang nilaban namin. And I think, alam mo, one thing na na-prove sa amin ng mga challenges namin is that kami-kami din talaga yung magtutulungan sa dulo. And yun yung naging source ng strength namin. From the first loss against second, third semis, and yung mga coaches namin, hindi rin talaga mabinaw, and sila talaga nagbibigay ng confidence namin. So, we thank everyone. We thank everyone. And I'll take this opportunity to thank every single person in our team, from our staff, coaching staff, from our utility, from our PTs, from our conditioning coaches, assistant coaches, and all the players, mapa-line up man, hindi naka-line up. We're all, siguro, we have our values. We're worth it. Everyone is very important in this team. So, yun talaga yun. Thank you. Sorry. And I think,
to anyone po, to anyone.